To withdraw from a USDT mining miner in 2025. Follow this step-by-step guide. First, understand what USDT mining is, which is a process of validating transactions on a blockchain network to earn Tether, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. Begin by accessing your mining account, typically through a website or mobile application. Log in with your credentials to enter your account dashboard. From here, navigate to the withdrawal section, often found under a tab labeled as Wallet, Balance, or Transactions. Before initiating a withdrawal, ensure you have a sufficient USDT balance in your mining account. Check the minimum withdrawal amount, as it may vary depending on the mining pool or platform you are using. Also, be aware of any transaction fees associated with withdrawals. To proceed, select USDT as the currency you wish to withdraw and choose your desired withdrawal method. Common options include transferring to a personal wallet, a cryptocurrency exchange, or a bank account. If transferring to a wallet or exchange, you will need to provide the recipient's wallet address. Carefully review the transaction details, including the amount, recipient address, and any applicable fees. Confirm the transaction to initiate the withdrawal process. Depending on the platform and the blockchain network, the withdrawal may take some time to process. It is crucial to follow best practices for security. Always use two-factor authentication when available and keep your account credentials private. Be cautious of phishing attempts and never share sensitive information with unauthorized parties. After the withdrawal is processed, verify that the funds have been successfully transferred to your destination wallet or account. If you encounter any issues, contact the support team of your mining platform for assistance. In conclusion, withdrawing from a USDT mining miner in 2025 requires careful attention to detail and adherence to security best practices. By following these steps and staying informed, you can safely and efficiently manage your USDT earnings from mining activities.